Hi, my name is Jaswanth. Today we are going to discuss subject chemistry and topic classification of matter. Previously we have discussed the topic classification of elements and we have known that there are metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. First let us know about metals and non-metals properties. Metals, they are usually solids. In that there are some exceptions. They are mercury and gallium. They are more liquids at some temperatures. The temperature for mercury is 25 degrees centigrade and for gallium 30 degrees centigrade. And in this, they are usually gases and there are some exceptions. They are solids and liquids. In solids, they are carbon and sulfur. And liquids, phosphorus and bromine. And next one, sonorous. In metals, metals are usually sonorous because they produce a ringing sounds. And non-metals, they are non-sonorous because they do not produce any ringing sound. In metals, lustrous. Lustrous means they are shiny. And non-metals, non-lustrous means they are not shiny. And metals, ductile. Ductile means they can be spreaded into thin wires. Non-metals, non-ductile. Non-ductile means they cannot be spreaded into thin wires. And malleable. Metals are malleable because they can be spreaded into thin sheets. Non-metals, non-malleable because they cannot be spreaded into thin sheets. And in metals, they have high density because the formula of density is mass by volume. Per unit volume, they have more mass, but non-metals, low density because per unit volume, they have low mass. Metals, monoatomic. Monoatomic means having one electron in valence shell. Non-metals, diatomic or polyatomic. Diatomic or polyatomic means having two electrons in valence shell or many electrons in valence shell. Metals, good conductors of heat and electricity. Good conductors of heat and electricity means the metals allow heat and electricity to pass through them very easily. But non-metals, poor conductors of heat and electricity. They do not allow heat and electricity to pass easily through them. And metals form basic and amphoteric oxides. Oxides means having at least one oxygen atom. Now basic oxides. When the metals are dissolved in water, if they form bases, then they are called basic oxides. Amphoteric oxides means having some basic nature and acidic nature. Now non-metals form acidic oxides or neutral oxides. Acidic oxides means when the oxides are dissolved in water, they form acids. Neutral oxides. Neutral oxide means which do not show any acidic properties or basic properties. Metals. High melting and boiling points. Melting points means from the solid state to liquid state, how much temperature they need. They need so much temperature for melting. Boiling means how they boil, how easily they boil. They need more temperature. That's why high melting and boiling points. For non-metals, low melting and boiling points. Okay, now let us discuss about metalloids and noble gases. First, metalloids. Metalloids mean the elements which show certain properties of metals and non-metals. They are called metalloids. For example, boron, silicon, germanium, arsenic, antimony, tellurium, polonium. And next, noble gases. Noble gases mean the elements which have 8 electrons in their valence shell is called noble gases. They are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, oganesson. And one more point is that helium is the lightest element after hydrogen, which is a noble gas. Today we have discussed about metals. What are metals and their properties? Next, non-metals and metalloids and noble gases. And we have got their examples and also for examples for noble gases, and these are only the noble gases. Thank you.